Hi guys, good morning. This is your coach Romeo Roberto Rovillos, or you can call me Mentor Rome for short, or Coach Rome. Thank you guys for watching. Today guys, before we proceed with our discussion, I strongly suggest for you to hit like and subscribe. Okay? Thank you so much. And our discussion for today is on how to download the Facebook app to your smartphone. Okay? Available pa lang siya guys sa Google Play Store. Alright? So, let me go ahead and quickly show you. So, number one, syempre, bubuksan muna natin yung Play Store. Alright? And then, later on guys, we will go ahead and compare kung ano yung nasa Facebook affiliates app versus dun sa site natin, mobile view naman. Alright? Since we're using smartphone. Alright? So, what I did initially is look for Facebook, and then automatically lumabas yung Facebook affiliates. So, tap nyo lang yun guys. Pagka tap nyo, mapupunta kayo dito. So, download or install. So, hit install guys. Pagka hit nyo nyan, syempre, da-download nyo yung app sa smartphone nyo. Tapos, pagka download nyan, i-install nya, and then, ready to open the application. So, just hit open. It will ask you now to go ahead and log in to your Facebook account. Alright? So, yung Facebook account nyo is for the affiliate. Meaning, kung saan nyo nakikita yung dashboard nyo. Okay? So, let me try to go ahead and log in. Okay? Ito try nating yan, sige. Nakasave na kasi siya kasi trinay ko na siyang i-download kanina. So, hit sign in lang guys pagka fill up nyo yung form or fill out nyo yung form, and then i-route niya kanyo yan sa dashboard nyo. Alright? And then, let's try to compare it with what you have on your on the app and then on your dashboard. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo guys, ganito lang siya. So, dun sa amount ng total earnings, and then available wallet, total encashment, kung mapapansin nyo guys, wala yung peso sign. Alright? Ngayon, kung punta naman tayo dun sa kunwari sa site. Okay, sige. Try natin. Ito siya guys. So, normally, meron tayo nung pop-up pag nag-login na kayo sa site, makikita nyo yung car points winner kasi nirelease na yung qualifier and nanalo doon sa sedan down payment worth 100,000 pesos and plus 3 months amortization guys. So, this is one way to give back to the members ng company. Alright, so may nanalo rin ng 40 inches na LED TV, 3,000 master fund, yun, 3,000 master fund sa, if I'm not mistaken, this is for travel and tours, master fund. Alright, so close lang natin ko guys, X nyo lang siya. Okay, and then eto na siya. So, as I've mentioned a while ago, makikita nyo, may peso sign. So, peso sign. Alright? Medyo may accent tayo doon. Dahil taga Pangasinan po ako, minsan matigas or malambot ang aking pananalita. Okay? So, yun. Lumambot na. At yun po. So, makikita nyo merong peso sign, and then conversion kung ilang dollars yung amount. Alright? Same goes naman. Pareho naman siya dito kung titignan nyo sa options sa gilid. It's just that pag pumunta tayo sa app, automatically may drop down siya sa account, add accounts, tapos codes kung may codes kang available, activation codes or transfer codes, tsaka sa payout BDO payout, tsaka True Money payout. Alright? So, pwede ka rin mag-log out after you use it sa Facebook app. Alright? So that's it guys for how to download the Facebook app para makita nyo rin or be updated about your earnings, para hindi mo na kailangang i-pull up sa browser ng smartphone mo tapos ita-type mo yung facebook.com or facebook.co/account and then magla-login ka. So automatically pag na-download mo na yung app, pwede mong i-save after sign in para automatic sign in na or autofill out na yung form para i-submit mo to login. Alright? So guys, kung may mga questions kayo about Facebook, just let me know. Iiwan ko yung link ko dyan sa description, and then also kung naghahanap ka ng active upline dito sa Facebook, just let me know guys. I'm willing to help, train, and share of course techniques and tips on how to of course earn at least 10 to 15 thousand pesos in a weekly basis guys. All right, I'm just and just to let you know, I already earned 60,300 in just a month in 3 weeks. All right, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is your coach Romeo Roberto Rovillos, your mentor Rome or Coach Rome. And again guys, have a great day to all of you. Bye for now, Facebook Nation.